Welcome and good morning and welcome to Studio for the Let's Go and share this video because it's amazing. Bro, look at that. Look at that, my friend. Look at that. I have in front of me an amazing headphone. Yes, no, this is not a phone, it's a controller from Xbox. So I have two amazing controllers here. Wow, look at how it's so beautiful. Damn. Yes, this is the first edition. This is the original version of Xbox One controller. Yes, I love this thing because it looks like a robot. And sometimes when you play, it feels very, very strong. Look at that. Woo! Yeah! Oh, let me kill you! Oh, no, 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 no! Oh, you don't want to die? Today! And look at them there. Can you see this? This is how it looks like. And you can remove this and put battery here. As you can see, wireless controller for Xbox One. Which is great. Nice. Beautiful. This is per button and it's cool. Nice. You can see another button here, but I decided to put this sticker from Bezos just to make this beautiful, like this one. Can you see this? Yes, look at how it looks like. So beautiful. As you can see, different sound. Can you see this? Comparison. Look at that. This is for Xbox One S. Yes, this is for Xbox One S. Yes, this is also a battery, an amazing battery. But I test this, I use this for more than 3 days now. I mean, more than 4 days. I don't know. It will always charge it. I don't know why. Wow, this is a good news. Yes, can you see this? Can you see how it looks like? Wow, bro, it's not bad. This is amazing. There are also better button, but there are something different. Look everywhere. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Look everywhere. What is the difference? Where is the difference? Can you see something? Can you see something? Ha ha ha. Look at that. Look at this thing. Can you see this joystick? It's not conventional. It's not original. It's not like one you buy this. So I decided to remove what here because it not work. It's broke. But normally it look like this thing. Can you see this? It look like that. You can put your finger inside. Just do what you want to do. Now look at how it work. How it look like. This is why I decided to buy something to try to fix this problem. I don't know if it will work, but I'm here to test it. And this thing is on this sachet. So just remove it. Ooh, wow, it's really strong. Damn, really difficult to remove it. Damn. Okay. I need to try to take it from here, like what? Look at that. Captain America! Come again, America, you are here! So I bought Captain America for my Xbox controllers. Captain America! Captain America! What are you doing here? Bro, I bought. What are you doing? This is a witch. With people. Look at that. So I bought this just to put on joystick on these controllers, just to see how it works or something. But I don't know if it will work, but I'm here to test it. Nice. The most important is this joystick, but to start by the beginning or by this originally amazing joystick. Let's see how it works, if how it look like or something. So let's go with the unboxing. Now now you need two of them. Okay, I need two. Bro, I want to see the size also. Is it the same size or not? I don't know. But Captain America is here. Yes. Okay. How to put this on these controllers now? I don't know. Look at, wow, it's so. Look at how it looks like. I don't know. Wow, I feel that it's very strong. Wow, this is very strong. And I feel that it's also durable. But I don't know if it's comfortable. But I'm going to test it. So, let's test Captain America number 1. You need to put this on here and here. So, let's try to put this inside. If it's possible, how to do this. I feel that it's like that or something. Whoa. Captain America is in good position. And it's so beautiful. What do you think? What do you think, bro? Ay. Wow, this is an unexpected edition. It feels very, very big. Look at that. Small and big. Damn, this is a real joystick. Amazing joystick, bro. Captain America. How are you? Oh, let's go. Captain America. Good morning. Wow. Can you see this? You can even turn, take a good size. And wow. I love this. Let's test Captain America number 2. I love the color. Yes. Now, let's do it. I put it inside. It's not an easy thing to do, but it gets work. Captain America. Captain America is here. 10. Ooh! Captain America is back. Do you believe it? Captain America 1 and Captain America 2. Let's go. Oh! What are you doing? Look at how it looks like. Look at how this controller looks like now. Wow! I don't know how it looks like when I play. I don't know how it will look like when I will play game, but damn. Okay, no problem. Now, let's try to fix this problem with Captain America just to see if it will work also like this. Okay, cool. So, I have another sachet. Come here. Remove number 1. Captain America, please save my people. My people looking for you. Woo! Okay, Captain America, get ready. I'm coming for you. Yes. So let's try. Look at that. As you can see, this is okay. Let's try to put this inside. And what? Let's try to see if it can remove easily. I think Nana is feel very strong. You can also turn, but it's really easy to turn. You can be different, very difficult to turn. Yeah, but it's very easy to turn. Yeah, very easy. This is like a tire. And you can do this. I don't know if there are more precision on it, but it feels very smooth. Okay, no problem. Look at it's done. Damn. Okay, no problem. Captain America, number 2, please come here and save my people. American people. Sorry. No, I want to finish the job with this thing, but I want to put this. Yeah. Woo, it's very easy to put it inside, and it's also easy to turn. Wow, this is like, wow, room. Look how it looks like right now, bro. In real life, it look very nice. I don't want to lie to you. This thing look very nice now. It look very nice. Real life, bro. This is just unbelievable. Captain America, I saved my people. Now look how this controller look like, bro. I have battery here, a good battery, and Captain America. No, yeah, and now I can see it, my people. Try to amazing Captain America. Yeah. Can you see this? Can you see this, bro? Tell me what you think about this. Tell me what you think about this, because this is something very beautiful. Very beautiful. You can see this thing feels very strong. It feels very strong in my opinion. Yes, but I can do something. I can add something under to make this very strong. Something like what? Something like what? Okay. Wait a minute. This is lotus. Okay. I can take this and try to do something. Okay. I want just to put a little bit under. Just here. Okay, just a little bit here. Okay. And put it aside. Just to see if it will fix it or not. No. Magic. If it become more strong, it not move easy. No, it not move easy. Damn. And you are your Captain America very strong now. Damn, very smart. Very really smart, bro, and useful. What do you think? And the red, left and the red. There it is. a smart guy is here in front of you, just like that. Let's go and show, bro, because it's amazing. You go subscribe channel with YouTube super things or PayPal, the link in the description. There are also my bank details, the link in the description also. Wow. This is cool. No. Wow. Nice. Great. Okay, nice. No. Okay, it feels more strong. It feels strong and nice to see. It's but it's better. This is what I think. You can add, you can fix it, you can do something. Do what you want to do also. And wow, I'll enjoy your new controller. This is how it looks like first. Nice. Well, this is how it looks like right now. Obviously, I don't know how it will work. I need to test it just to see. Boom, 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 boom. Let me go, let me go. Yes. Okay, tell me what you think about this controller. Which between both look better for you? The black one or the pink? Let's see, Minecraft Pink Edition. Nice. Wow, this is great. Okay, tell me what you think, boys. Yeah, see you later for more videos because this is very, very impressive. Thank you. Captain America, let's go.